Hey everyone, my name is Raven. If you haven't been on my channel before, I'm Raven of DIY Raven, the blog, the Instagram, Pinterest, this account. So this will be a little different because I'm just going to be doing a vlog today. Since I'm trying to swear I'm doing this every Friday, you're just going to kind of get the realness. Like, I'm moving this weekend, so it's just, I started to try to like kind of make this like pretending I'm not, but I totally am. So usually I would try to hide or kind of make it a little more cute, but this is just everything's kind of in disarray. So again, don't be scared about what you see. This is my current sewing space, so it's been nice because it's been right up against these really big windows. This is actually some of the stuff I was talking to you about in the other video, starting the kind of top part of this maxi dress. That's what these pieces are here for. So it's just some of my muslin material. There's of course my sewing machine and my serger. My pillow, which I talked about, which is very flat. I realized that I did not put enough stuffing in it, so that's okay. And this is kind of where I keep most of my sewing notions and fabrics and things. Hopefully maybe I'll have like another system or a better system when I move. But this one has like kind of served its purpose and done well for me, especially in this kind of smaller space. Most of my patterns are in here. I probably still have some at my parents' house, and actually I sold a lot of them on Amazon. So probably about 100 of them I sent to Amazon to get sold. This is a bulletin board I had that fell off of the wall. And underneath here I keep my printer, and I bought a laser printer just because it was just so much easier to print for. I bought a laser printer literally just for the reason of printing out PDF patterns, just so they would print out quicker. Full disclosure, we're actually moving within the same building, just a different apartment space. But actually I will be getting my own sewing room because it's going to be a 2-bedroom instead of a 1-bedroom, so I don't have to share space with that TV. I can be in my, or be like right by the kitchen. I'll be able to be in my own secluded room, which will be amazing. Last thing I'll probably show you, because it is Me Made May, this top is the Linden sweatshirt. It's the cropped top version of the sweatshirt, so it's got a raglan sleeve detail. Doesn't take much fabric at all, but I'm obsessed. I wear it all the time. It's extremely comfortable, and I clearly need to make a lot more of those. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully I plan to get back on track. Hopefully next week have a sewing review video for the York Pinafore by Helen's Closet. And yeah, just hopefully get back to my sewing, but I've got a lot to deal with here. So anyways, hope you all have a good weekend and take care. Bye.